Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I had a little trouble with my earbuds at the gym the other day, and I'm going to fix them. And I'm going to show you how I fixed them, and show you a couple of products here that I like. These are wireless. They have a wire from left to right, but they do not connect to the phone. They're Bluetooth. You can look up another review. This is not a review on the headphones. These tip replacements called New B. You get a bunch of different sizes, all right, in a nice little case, and I like them a lot. They compress in their memory. They hold their shapes, so you stick them into your ears, twist them a couple of times, and they'll stay much better than this type, which is the thin, it's not plastic, it's silicone rubber, I guess, thin silicone rubber. I don't know, those don't work pretty good. That's some old ones. These are the new ones. These are the ones I like and I've been using. The only problem is the fit between these and the headphone. It could be a little bit tighter, all right? It goes on there, but when you take them out, these are stuck into your ear so good that it'll stay in your ear almost. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up with alcohol, and then I'm going to use some of this latex. What is this stuff? Anyway, it's latex glue. I guess you'd call it latex glue. Tear Mender the Bish is the guy who sells it. It's an adhesive. I believe it's latex. Somebody knows, put it down in the comments. So anyway, real quick, I'm going to take both of those off. I'm going to clean with the alcohol there and there, and maybe if I can get a little inside. See, this has the outer compressible part, and then it has like a little plastic or something inside. I might need to use a Q-tip to get in there. Let me see for a second. Oh yeah, I've got some Q-tips. All right, so let's do this. Some alcohol. The alcohol removes any oil or sweat and will promote a better adhesion, right? Okay. So we'll get those two clean. Froggy likes fixing things instead of just, buying something else that may or may not work. There. Get some alcohol on this. I don't know how that's going to fit. Let's see. Oh, pretty good. All right. This alcohol will dry very fast. It'll dry very fast. And this is an experiment. And if it doesn't work, I'll put something down in the comments. If it does work, I suppose I'll probably also put something down in the comments. So let's see. I think those are good. Shake this up a little bit. It has kind of a nice thing, a little twist cap to close it. Doesn't seem to go bad. I've had this for a couple of years probably. It comes out kind of a thick liquid. See it? There. See it? And then it dries within probably an hour, 2 hours, something like that. Now be careful when you do this, you don't get any down the hole, because then you won't hear anything anymore, right? So I'm going to put it like that. Put a dab on there. I don't think you need too much. Okay. The dab is running down here. No harm, no foul. Just going to wipe it there. I'm actually only going to put this on this side. Because I think if I try to put it on here, I'm going to end up with a big mess. Because I can see the stuff is running. All right. Put that one on there. I'm going to twist it a few times. That spreads the glue around. Do the other one. Little excess. Get some on the other side. Don't get any down the hole. No, nothing down the hole. Little excess. All right. Get that on there. Twist it a few times. And wipe that one more time. There. Nice. Of all my headphones, I'm sort of using these the most. I guess that means I like them the most. See, it says left, the other side says right. So that's about it. Tonight I'm doing a couple of group classes, so I won't be using these tonight. I use these when I work out on my own separately without doing classes. So there you go. Newbie and Tear Mender by the Bish. Okay, I'll put some links in there for you. Give me a thumbs up or a like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the bell if you want some notifications. Be safe, have fun. This one's not a car video, but mostly I do car videos, but I do anything else that I think can help you guys and gals. Okay, see you later. Froggy out. Bye-bye.